Cleveland Browns quarterback Deshaun Watson expressed surprise over a new civil lawsuit accusing him of sexual assault, marking the latest legal challenge in a string of allegations that have followed him since 2021. The lawsuit, filed by a woman identified as Jane Doe, claims that Watson sexually assaulted her in her apartment before a scheduled dinner date in October 2020. Speaking to reporters during his weekly media availability on Wednesday, Watson, 28, said he first learned about the lawsuit when the public did. "The statement, from my lawyer, is the response that we talked about, and everything that he put in that statement is exactly how I'm feeling and what we're going through this process with," Watson remarked, indicating that his legal team would handle the matter. Earlier in the day, Watson's attorney, Rusty Hardin, had issued a statement vehemently denying the latest allegations, stating that the star quarterback strongly denies the claims made against him. Hardin emphasized that Watson's team was confident that he would ultimately be vindicated. "We have asked him not to comment further while this matter works its way through the courts, but we are comfortable he will be vindicated in the end," Hardin's statement read. "We will be ready to defend this case in court at the appropriate time, but don't intend to conduct our defense in the media. We would ask that people be patient while the legal process runs its course. In the meantime, Deshaun is going to focus his energy and concentration on football." However, Tony Busby, the plaintiff's attorney, offered a sharp rebuttal to Watson's stance, accusing the quarterback of lying about his knowledge of the allegations. In a statement posted on Instagram, Busby asserted that Watson had been made aware of the woman's claims shortly after the alleged assault occurred and that efforts had been made to reach a private resolution long before the lawsuit was filed. "We knew this case was the most serious and egregious case brought against Watson to date, and our client, who was rightly traumatized by these events, wanted to attempt a private resolution," Busby stated. "We thought that was the best approach given the media storm that occurred surrounding the legion of other claims. Unfortunately, Watson's team or maybe his lawyers couldn't or wouldn't give this case the attention it was due. Watson was well aware of this victim and her claims immediately after it occurred, and Watson was again reminded back when we filed the first lawsuit for the other multiple victims." Despite the renewed controversy, Watson emphasized that his focus remains on football. He told reporters on Wednesday that he was concentrating on preparing for the Browns' upcoming game against the Jacksonville Jaguars, adding, "I focus on keeping the main thing. And that's when I walk into this building focusing on being the best quarterback I can be, on the game plan, and trying to be better than we were last week so we can get a W." Watson's legal troubles have been ongoing since 2021, when over 24 women filed civil lawsuits accusing him of sexual misconduct during massage sessions while he was playing for the Houston Texans. Although Watson repeatedly denied any wrongdoing, the lawsuits led to intense public scrutiny and a prolonged legal battle. In 2022, the NFL and NFLPA agreed to suspend Watson for 11 regular season games without pay and fined him $5 million after at least 24 civil lawsuits were filed against him. Of those, 23 lawsuits were settled confidentially, and 2 grand juries declined to bring criminal charges against Watson.